Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Brickell Biotech INC. Now if you are looking at the overall chart pattern, you will see that it's been moving and moving on the downside for the last couple of years, and if you want to analyze it, you need to treat it uh, in case of any positive bounce back. We just need to trade it, nothing more, nothing less than that. So let's discuss about the trend, but before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now rather than using the monthly chart, let me take you to the daily chart. I think that will give you a better clarity or a picture about the trend and how it's been moving for the last 2 or 3 years. So this is the trend. I mean, it's quite fascinating to see that although the stock has been moving downside, companies are giving splits and all those things. It is just for the sake of luring investors. Otherwise, it does not make any sense because it will create additional pressure on the EPS. And if you look at the market will factor in based on fundamentals. EPS is one of the major factor that market is looking at. But in short term, companies do lots of things to make things fancy. Now if you're looking at this particular stock, this is the trend that we have here in the last 2 or 3 years, and it is looking clearly visible that the support we have here will be at 12 cents. Okay, and on the upside, because the downside is so big, the upside will be a stretch one as well. So the upper end of the range is in between 1.4 and 1.9. So this is how things looks like as far as the current range or the trend is concerned. Now there can be bounce back anytime. Okay, there can be bounce back anytime, but whether it's going to sustain or not, it's a big question. So here we are now in the mid as well. If there is a bounce back, if there is a sudden bounce back, you will see the first target range in between 45 cents and 68 cents. But let me tell you one thing, it doesn't matter how fast or how shrewd or how big the bounce back can probably look at any moment of time. The overall trend is negative, and if the bounce back does not sustain, it will again go back to the lower end of the range. So you need to be very specific about what you are doing, and most specifically, don't go below 12 cents, as this will be a strict stop loss. Because in case of any bad market volatility, there will be a huge loss, because we have seen this stock can move in both the ways, and the pace of this pace will be very fast. So if you do understand the risk associated with it, then it is fine. Otherwise it would be better for you to have a plan. Now I will tell you one more thing, that let's say if there is a sharp bounce back, smart people, those who are stuck in this stock, they will use that opportunity to sell the shares, not buying and accumulating it. And those who are naive, they will definitely put some money thinking that you will have some better days ahead. That is that is a game of pure luck, that is not investing. So be very much aware about the risk and how things are going to look or going to move going forward. So this is the range we have here. Let's see how the price will move. But in any case, I'm saying it again and again, do not go below 12 cents on the downside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.